Hi, welcome to my video on extra problems number 3 on circles. Number 1, we have a circle with two chords intersecting at A. It says that angle JAK is x cubed minus 3x. JAK is x cubed minus 3x. The arc EH is x squared plus x. EH is x squared plus x. And the arc JK is x squared plus 5x. So, based on that, two chords intersecting, we want to find the angle JAK, find the arc EH, find the arc KJ, which means we got to find the value of x. So what happens is that the angle JAK is equal to a half. This angle here is equal to half of the arc EH plus the arc JK. So the angle JAK is x cubed minus 3x, half of, and EH is x squared plus x. JK is x squared plus 5x. So we simplify the inside of this bracket by PEMDAS. X squared plus x squared is 2x squared. And x plus 5x is 6x. So they're even, so I can easily take a half of even numbers. So half of 2 is 1, half of 6 is 3. And we have a cubic, a square, and an x, so put them in descending order. X cubed minus x squared minus 3x minus 3x equals 0. Move them all to the left side in descending order. Now we simplify that. X cubed minus x squared minus 6x equals 0. Descending order. I see an x common, so x outside of x squared minus x minus 6. And we have a cubic has 3 roots. So we got x, and this is a quadratic. Hopefully it's factorable, make it easier. So x squared is x and x. The factors of the product is negative 6. The sum is negative 1. So we have 1 times 6 and 3 times 2. Which pair is going to give you a 1? 6 and 1 will never give me a 7 or a 5, but it's negative. So I have to have a negative and a positive. So, and the sum got to be negative 1, so it looks like it's going to be negative 3 plus 2. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Negative 3 add on 2 is negative 1. So we have 3 terms, so x is equal to 0. X minus 1 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0. I said 3 terms. I have 3 possible values for x. So x is 3 here. X is negative 2 here. So 0, let's check. We got a 0. We put 0. If you put 0 in here, you get a 0. Automatically, when you sub it in and it can't work, you don't have to check the rest of them. So 0 cannot work. So let's try 3. 3 is 27 and a 9, 18. 3 here is 9 plus 3 is 12. 3 here is 9, and that's 3 times 5 is 15. 9 and 15 is 24. So it looks like that's okay. What about the negative 2? So if you put a negative 2 right here, you get negative 2 squared is 4. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. 4 and negative 10 is negative 6. Not going to work. So what you get, you could put it here, and you'll get 4 minus 2 is 2, but that's positive, so you check them. So it's a negative here, and you check it here is negative. So once you get one pop negative or 0, you can't use it. So 3 is the answer. So the angle JAK is x cubed minus 3x, and x is 3, so it's a 3 cubed minus 3 times 3. 27 minus 9 is 18. And the arc EH is x squared plus x. Again, x is 3, so we get 3 squared plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. And we have the arc JK. And the arc JK is x squared plus 5x. X is 3. So 3 in. 3 squared is 9. Plus 15, 24. And just to check, we have this angle here is 18. EH is 12. And JK is 24. So just to check that, we have 18 is a half of 12 plus 24. 18 is a half of, that's 36, half of 36 is 18, so 3 is okay. Again, this angle formed, this is the intersection of two chords. This angle here is equal to half the sum of these two. Okay, we have another one to do. Now, looks like we have tangents here. Let's see, AB, BC, and AC. AB, BC, and AC are tangents to the circle at W, K, and T, respectively. It got BC is 10, so BC is 10. Find the parameter of ABC. Oh, sorry, the parameter of ABC is 34. Find AT. So we have tangents, and what happens if we have tangents to a circle from a common point? It makes these two equal, and these two are equal. These are two tangents from A, they're equal. Two tangents from B, they're equal. Two tangents from C, so these are equal. So what I'm going to do, I got to find AT, so I'm going to let AT be X. So if AT is X, AW is X. So BW, that's X. Let's make this one a Y. So if this is Y, this is equal to it, that's Y. CT and CK are tangents, so let's make this one a Z. Z. So what happens, the parameter all the way around is made up of X and X, so that's 2X. And this is Y and Y, so that's 2 Ys. And this is Z and Z, so that's 2Z. So that's the parameter. And the parameter says it's equal to 34. So that means that 2x plus 2y plus 2z, 2z is 34. We got 2 in all of them, so divide by 2, you get x plus y plus z is 17. But we're told that BC is 10. BC is made up of y plus z. Y plus z. So if you take the y plus z is equal to 10, y plus z is here, so that means we sub in y plus z is 10. So y plus z is 10. So x is equal to 17 minus 10. So x is 7. So that means that AT is 7, which is what we had to find. a little bit different. It's a similar problem, but I decided to make up the algebra a little bit different. And number 3, we have a circle. We have 4 parts to it. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles are supplementary. But we want to find the measure of angle C, this angle right here. So we know this arc and this one. All these are x's. So therefore what we have is x plus 80, add on 3x plus 16, add on 2x, add on 2x plus 8, and those arcs going around a circle add up to 360. So if you add all them up, x and 3x and 2x and 2x, so that's 8x plus, and that's 80, 96 and 8 is 100, that's 96, 104 equals 360. So 8x is equal to 360 minus 104. So 8x is equal to, subtract to get a 256. Divide 8 into 256, you get 32. So we have all the measures. So we have x, that means we have each arc, but angle C, it says that angle C is a half of these 2 arcs here. So it's a half of the arc FAB. So angle C is a half of, we have, let's work out, we can work out these, that's a half of FA and plus AB. So angle C, FA is x plus 80, AB is 2x plus 8, so angle C is a half of 3x plus 88, and so x is 32, so that's 96 plus 88. 96 and 88, that's 184. And so you get a 92. I could have put 32 in here and got 32, and that is 92. Sorry, 32 and 108. I can add up right as 112. And if I double and add here, I could have found the measure of these arc first and then added them rather than do all this work here. So that's 64. This arc is 64 and 8 is 72. And then if I added it up, I would have got 184, a half of it. So I could have did it this way, or I could have worked each of these arcs out like I did here. 112, 72, and then angle C is a half of that sum. Could have done it that way. And that brings us to the end of this video on extra problems. I'd like to give more problems that you work out, the better you become. Again, if you like my video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button if you wish. Visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained, just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.